the Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. The German scientist Werner Heisenberg in 1927 performed calculations derivation for the measurement of position and momentum of the electron-like particles. In his calculations or in his observation, he found that when he tried to measure the position of the electron, then the second property, momentum, become non-measurable. Also, when he tried to measure momentum of the electron, then their position property become non-measurable. That means both position and momentum is not measurable simultaneously. So he found that it is impossible to measure the position and momentum of electron simultaneously along with desired accuracy. From his observation, he concluded that it is impossible to determine simultaneously the position and momentum of electron with desired accuracy. This is the conclusion what we called it as the Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. The mathematical equation of the Heisenberg's uncertainty principle is delta x into delta p is greater or equal to h, or delta x into delta p is greater or equal to h upon 4 pi, where delta x is uncertainty in determination of position, delta p is uncertainty in determination of momentum, and h is the Planck's constant. From this equation, Heisenberg also give another statement of this principle. This statement is, from the Heisenberg equation, the product of uncertainty in determination of position and momentum of particle is equal or greater than the Planck's constant. Here, the product of the uncertainty in measurement of position and momentum is greater or equal to the Planck's constant. This is the second statement that is given by the scientist Werner Heisenberg in 1927. So this is the first statement. It is impossible to determine simultaneously the position and momentum of electron with desired accuracy. The second statement is the product of uncertainty in determination of position and momentum of particle is equal or greater than Planck's constant. The Heisenberg uncertainty principle introduce the probability approach. That means if we are unable to measure the position and momentum simultaneously, we can measure the probability of finding the position of electron. So here this scientist introduced the probability approach. We can find the area in a space instead of exact position, where the probability of finding electron is more instead of exact location. So the probability of finding electron is more, that we called now as a orbital. Again, the Heisenberg uncertainty principle explains dual nature of the particle, non-existence of electron in nucleus, ground state energy of harmonic oscillator hydrogen atom, natural width of spectral lines.